Late start this year on the garden. Just tilled it in. Surprisingly, my tiller started. Uh, had to mess around with the pull rope on it. It tends to stick after over the winter time. Uh, just pretty much mowed down stuff with the lawnmower the other day. What was left of the collards and the broccoli and all that stuff. And like I said, getting a really late start, but better late than never. Not as big this year. I think on this side we're just doing tomatoes and some squash. And on the far side over there, I'll plant those all in field peas. Maybe we'll get a couple of bags out of them by maybe end of July or into August sometime. Uh, Probably pick up some eggplant too. Pick up 3 or 4 eggplant, the Japanese eggplant or black beauties. I like both of them. Wife likes the Ichiban and the Pintong eggplant. I go either way. I like those too. I like to grill those. I like the big ones for making the or the caponata too is good with the big ones. It's not like getting them in a grocery store where they're usually old and kind of bitter. It's nothing like taking a fresh one out of the garden where you know it's just right and eating it. They're good like that. Not as big this year. Maybe pick up some bell peppers and maybe some banana peppers. I don't know yet. Sweet bananas. Grew way too many peppers last year and the year before that. Ended up drying them or giving away, eating some of them. Can't eat all those. I think I had like 10 plants or more last year, and it's just too much. I think the wife said she wants to get some of them Thai chilies if we can find them. There's little teeny hot peppers, but we'll see if we can find them or not. Anyway, that's the start on this thing. I got to service this tiller now. I just got it running. Basically put gas in it, fixed the pull rope, pulled it maybe 3 times and it fired right up. So I got it good hot now. I'll go ahead and change the oil on it because it's been out. Hasn't changed it since last year. But that's it for that. If you guys like my content, please like, share, subscribe, comment, all that jazz, and we'll get this thing planted here within the next week or two. I already picked up some tomatoes the other day. Picked up some cherry tomatoes, some Roma tomatoes, and some Big Boy or Homestead, I think I got two, and some zucchini, straight neck squash, zucchini squash, and some crook neck squash. But anyway, if you like my content, please like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, all that jazz, and have a great day.